Hello everyone, my name is Karina Quiroz. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, today I'm going to show you how I put on my wigs. We're going to be putting on this little blonde one. What you're going to need is got to be glue, the free spray, and then also the ultra glue from them. You're going to need both of these, a blow dryer, a wig cap, and you're gonna need something to, this is just like a stocking, like tights. I don't have a scarf, so I just cut off one of the legs. I don't use these, so I cut off one of the legs, and I'm going to, like, when you're gonna lay it down, when it dries, you're gonna want to dry it like this. Let's get started. I'm gonna take my hair out. My hair is very dirty, like dirty. Look, like it just stays in place like that. It's like super greasy. I had hairspray in it like 2 days ago, so we're just gonna brush this out. Look how greasy that is. My favorite way, like my favorite time to put on wigs is when my hair is this greasy, because then everything just lays a lot flatter. Because I feel like when you have fresh hair, obviously it's like more voluminous and it just doesn't really stay. This way it stays. You're gonna look like an egghead. Okay, now that this is on, I'm just gonna grab some of this free spray and just make sure like it's laid, not too much. That burned. I have a lot of hair on my face, like especially like my sideburns, so I always go in with like a little razor and like cut it up, because if I don't, like my lace on my wigs aren't, like I have a really big head, so it doesn't like lay properly like some of my hair, because my hair grows out like out to here, and like I have like a widow's peak, and then my sideburns grow like out to here, so like I just, you know, shave it off. Now I'm going to make a braid back here. Here's like my nails. Did them a couple days ago. I'm gonna bobby pin this piece down. Okay, we're gonna fold it and then bobby pin it down. Pull it forward and then pull it back. Okay, you're gonna cover your ears with the wig cap. And we look crazy, we look like a little egghead, but that's okay. Make sure it's on. Now I'm going to put this, a little layer. You don't want too much. These little spritz. You don't want to over drown it, because then it's gonna start dripping like down here, and it kind of hurts to pull it out. You're gonna blow dry it till it's dry. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my little scissors and I'm just gonna cut right here. So it releases tension on your face, and then I'm going to cut a hole in my ear so I can fit my ear through it, so it's not like messing with me, like so. Another side. Try not to cut yourself. Get closer to a mirror than I am. Cool, now we look even more like an egg. I'm gonna put a layer of this got to be Ooh. I hate this. Oh, that it's like so much tension on your face. Now I'm gonna take the back of this. Like I just need like something flat. I'm gonna take a generous amount. And then where you put that glue, like the free spray, you're just gonna lay this down there too. Maybe a little bit more. And then you're gonna blow dry it again until it's dry. Okay, it is all dry. So now what I'm gonna do, hold on. I'm going to cut this now. Reasons why you don't want to put too much glue like on your head, because sometimes it hurts when you take off this part. And then just a little snip, snip. This side is harder for me to do. So I'm going to grab my wig. I mean, this wig is from AliExpress. I'm going to put everything that I'm using, especially the wig, on in the description. And I love this wig because look how much lace is in it. It's like the whole, I don't even know what the measurements are on how much lace there is, but it's quite a bit. The scalp is like really nice, see-through. Love it. And you can part it wherever you want. So I'm going to put it on. I'm gonna pull this back, leave it like that for a while, and I'm going to be putting makeup right here. I'm going to be using a little bit of foundation on my hand and a foundation brush. And then I'm going to go in with some powder. Grab a makeup wipe to clean up my forehead. Put more glue so it sticks. And now you're gonna blow dry it, but you're not gonna blow dry it when it's completely dry. You're gonna want, it looks so funny. Dry it till it's tacky. It still needs to be sticky. And then, yeah, so just dry it till it's tacky and then I'll be back. This on top. And then the sides. And then the other side. You see how it's almost dry and it's like stuck? Look, where you see my hair? Where do you see my hair? So she is on, and you can tell my eyebrows are like pulled back. So there we go. Just checking to see if you can see my hair so I know to pull it back more. We are good. Okay. And then now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab some clips, some hair clips, and I'm gonna pull this back. Oops. And then I have another one. I'm also gonna pull this piece back and then try to put this up there too, because we are now going to lay it down. It's gonna cover your ears, that's okay. So now this is on. And then I would probably leave this maybe 20 minutes. You guys like my shirt, by the way? My brother got it for me for I'm gonna finish straightening the rest of the hair and then I'll be back. Okay, so I finished straightening the wig. I also took a little break. I went to go make a smoothie. Okay. Now I'm going to take this thing off. Just gonna literally, oh, my ears are in pain from being held down. I'm gonna cut the extra lace that I don't want. Okay, so we are back. I'm going to clip both sides back. And then let's re-clip this one. I got a paper towel and I have some water. Itchy. So I'm gonna hold this up with a cup of water, and you're not gonna like drench the paper towel. You want it to be damp. I'm gonna melt it down. I cut too much of the lace where you can see my hair, but it's fine. Just be careful. I just messed it up a little bit. Okay, cool. Gonna get some of this. Got to be. Looks cute. You can kind of see them if you're like staring, but that's them. I'm going to put some powder in my hairline. Let me get a brush. I will be back with a full face of makeup. This is the finished hair with my makeup done. Of course, I feel like it'll look really weird if I have like nothing on my face, so I went and did my makeup. But what do you guys think? I absolutely love this hair. Also, if you wear wigs, let me know in the comments any tips and tricks that you do to lay your wig down. I would love to know so I could try it out. But that is the end of the video. Please leave a like, comment something that you would like me to do in my next video, and subscribe if you want. I will see you guys next time. Bye!